So, DOH encrypts your internet phone book requests, hiding them from local snoops. But there is a massive blind spot. What if the DNS server you are asking was already compromised? What if a hacker successfully injected a fake IP address directly into the server's cache? This is called cache poisoning, or DNS spoofing. If a server is poisoned, DOH will beautifully and securely deliver that fake malicious IP address straight to your browser. You type in your bank's URL, but you are silently routed to an attacker's clone. To stop this, we use DNSSEC, Domain Name System Security Extensions. DNSSEC does not encrypt the records. Instead, it adds a digital cryptographic signature to them. Think of it less like an armored truck and more like a tamper-proof wax seal. When a secure DNS server hands you an A record, it also hands you an RRSIG, a resource record signature. Your computer verifies this signature using a public key. If a hacker alters the IP address even slightly, the cryptographic math fails, the signature breaks, and your browser drops the connection. Here is the golden rule for network security. DOH provides privacy in transit. DNSSEC guarantees the authenticity of the data. You need both to truly lock down the internet. Want more secure tech content? Sign your subscription zone file today so you never miss an authorized upload.